So, you're a beginner filmmaker. What are the 3 most important things you need to learn as a beginner filmmaker? Let's talk about that. Starting your journey as a filmmaker can be very confusing for every beginner filmmaker. The reason is because filmmaking is a very broad spectrum, and a lot of the times it becomes very difficult to narrow it down to just one niche or one particular area of filmmaking to build your career on. So a lot of filmmakers can get confused at the beginning stage. What are the things that I need to learn? Because there's really so much to learn. So what should you learn as a beginner filmmaker? What are the important things you need to learn as a beginner filmmaker? But before we go into the video, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Let's go. Number 1, lighting. You see, 90% of cinematography is not about the camera or the location. It is about the lighting. Lighting forms at least 90% of cinematography. And so it is a very important skill you need to gain. You need to learn what lighting is, what the different types of lighting are, and how to use the different types of lighting to interpret your story or to tell your story. So lighting is very important. Number 2, sound. You see, sound comes second. The reason is because videos are not like pictures. They are motion pictures. And the fact that they are motion pictures means that audios go with them. And so it's very important that you learn how sound works. Now, sound is broken into different branches and all that in filmmaking. So you need to learn the different kinds of sound, from sound design to sound recording, Foley sound recording, and the likes. All of these different branches of sound are very important to filmmaking. The quality of your sound can greatly affect or influence the quality of your video, no matter how good the picture quality is. So you need to learn sound. And thirdly, you need to learn camera angles and shot types. There are different camera angles and different shot types, a whole plethora of them. You need to learn what these camera angles are, what the shot types are, and how to use them effectively. If you're armed with this knowledge, you will not just go out with your camera and just film anyhow. Every shot you take will tell your story. Every shot you take will be a fundamental part of telling the story or interpreting your story. So these 3 things are very important for you to learn as a beginner filmmaker. You can pick up a couple of other skills and learnings along the way, but if you're starting, you must focus your attention on these 3: light, sound, camera shot types, and camera angles. If you're not subscribed to this channel just yet, click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we drop a video. Don't forget to continue to learn, create until you become.